The ZBF extension identifies a ZebraDesigner barcode format file containing barcode label design definitions for Zebra thermal printers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, edit, or deploy these barcode label design files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful ZBF file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. ZBF files are barcode label format files created by ZebraDesigner label design software for Zebra thermal printers. They contain label layout definitions, including barcode specifications, text fields graphics, and dynamic data field configurations for automated label production. ZebraDesigner. ZBF files use a proprietary format, storing label dimensions, barcode type and data configurations, text field positions, font specifications, and variable data field mappings. They generate ZPL commands when sent to Zebra printers for label rendering. The proper file association links ZBF directly to the ZebraDesigner solution by Zebra Technologies. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows previews the file but cannot reveal editable design layers or properties. Your first move is key. Right-click the ZBF file and select Open With. Test with ZebraDesigner if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If the ZBF file won't open, don't panic. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the ZBF file begins. First, opening the design. Install ZebraDesigner from Zebra's website and open the ZBF file via File, then Open. The label designer displays the complete layout with all barcodes, text fields and graphics positioned on the virtual label for editing and preview. Next, printing labels. Connect your Zebra printer and select it in ZebraDesigner's printer configuration. Click Print to send the ZBF label design to the printer. For variable data labels, configure database connections or data input prompts to populate dynamic fields during the print run. Finally, deploying to production. Save finalized ZBF designs to a shared location accessible by production workstations. Configure ZebraDesigner's print settings for your production label stock, including media size, darkness, and print speed. Test print samples before beginning full production label runs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.